So today we're going to be setting up a mobile hotspot on our computer or laptop. So what you're going to need is the computer already connected to a source of internet. This can be internet or Wi-Fi itself. This hotspot is a great help when you're using internet and want to share that internet with your mobile devices. Open CMD, as you can see here. Follow just what I'm doing here. Give it admin. First command, type in as is, and then second command, third command. And now the SSID is the name of the hotspot, the key is the hotspot password, and the mode is the ability of the hotspot to share internet. So listen to me carefully here. As you're writing this command in SSID equals to closed captions, hotspot name, on hotspot name, write the name of the hotspots that you want your hotspot to be. And then mode just write allow as I've did here. And then key, write the password that you want for the hotspot. It can be anything, but it needs to be 8 characters long. It needs to be 8 characters long. And then last command, start hosted network. This will initiate the hotspot, and if you look at your device, the hotspot will be there after you click enter after this command. Now, after we've done this, we need to go to the control panel, networks, network and sharing center. And then here, add the internet source that you have. I need you to click enter. And then on it, click properties, sharing, allow. Listen to me here carefully. Go for the local with the star 2. Don't go for any other. And then click OK. And after this, your mobile hotspot will have internet. The moment that you connect to it with your mobile device, it will have internet and you'll be able to use it like any normal Wi-Fi.